Imagine turning on your iPhone and getting stuck on a screen that says, iPhone locked to owner, with no way to continue and no clear instructions, just a message asking you to enter the Apple ID that was previously used on the device. At that moment, most people think something is wrong with their phone, but the reality is different. This is not a bug, and it's not an error from iOS 26.4.1. It's a security feature called Activation Lock, and it stays active even after a full reset to protect the device from unauthorized access. So the real question becomes, how do you move forward from here? In this video, we're going to look at a structured way to deal with this exact situation and understand what options you have. Before we begin, a quick note. Everything shown here is for educational purposes only and should only be used on devices you legally own. Now, one of the tools used in this process is IBF tool. It's designed to guide users step by step instead of leaving them guessing what to do next. You install it on your computer, connect your iPhone, select the correct model and iOS version, and then follow the instructions shown on the screen. The process is built to move the device into a clean setup state so you can continue using it again. It supports iPhones, iPads, and even Apple Watch. Once the process is complete, you can go through the setup again just like you would with a new device and move forward normally. As you can see, the device is running iOS 26.4.1, and everything is functioning as expected, including calls. If this video helped you understand your situation better, make sure to like the video and let me know in the comments what you're dealing with. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.